Hey there, welcome to Homely Feast by Dolly. Hope you all are doing good and making the best out of life. It's rainy season here, cold and cough are common, so to boost our immunity, today we will make Paya soup. Here goes the ingredient list. We need cooking oil, mustard seed, cloves, bay leaf, ginger garlic paste, onion, green chili, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt as per taste, black pepper powder, coriander leaves. Here I have taken pressure cooker. So into the pressure cooker I have added 2 spoons of cooking oil. Allow the oil to heat up. There goes mustard seed, almost half teaspoon. Allow the mustard seeds to splutter. Then I have added cloves, that is long, almost 6 to 7 pieces. Then I've added bay leaf, that is tej patta, 3 to 4 leaves. So as you see in the visuals, I'm adding the crushed ginger and garlic. Garlic, that is lasun, almost 10 to 15 cloves. Then a slice of ginger, almost 1 inch. Saute them well. Add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste in addition to the crushed ginger and garlic. Added 2 sliced green chilies. To this I've added 2 medium sized onion chopped. Saute them well. Here comes the time to add all the spices. I've added half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, again half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Roast them well. Here goes the mutton trotters or the paya, which is thoroughly cleansed. Now we are adding almost 1.5 to 2 liters of water. Salt as per taste. Now mix it well so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the cooker. Close the lid, wait for 7 to 8 whistles. Let the cooker depressurize. Now the soup is ready. Lastly, we are adding black pepper powder to enhance the taste of the soup. Freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now the soup is ready, and this is not just delicious to taste but also nutritious and healthy for your body. Soup is a good source of collagen and gelatin. It reduces joint pains. If you all enjoyed this video as much I did, if yes, like, share, comment and subscribe and support this newbie.